A very auspicious morning to one and all. This is Goldie Yadav, a student of 12th standard from Phoenix International School. Today, I want to tell you something about Apollo 15. Apollo 15 was the first in series of mission designed to conduct exploration of the moon over longer period, greater ranges and with more instrument for scientific data acquisition than on previous mission. Major modifications and augmentations to the basic Apollo hardware were made. The most significant being installation of a scientific instrument module, which is one of the most service module, modification to the lunar module to carry greater scientific payload and permit a longer stay on lunar surface, and also provision of lunar roving vehicle. The landing site chosen for the mission was an area near the foot of Apennine Mountain adjacent to Hadley Reed. The space vehicle was launched from Kennedy Space Center Complex 39A at 6 am 26 July on 1971. The space vehicle was managed by Commander David Scott and the command module pilot Alfred Worden, and also the lunar module pilot James Irwin. In led up to the Apollo 15, NASA scientists and engineers were meticulously planned and prepared for the mission, equipping the astronaut with advanced spacecraft and scientific instrument. On July 30, 1971, the lunar module Falcon touched down in the Hadley Apennine region of the moon, marking the beginning of Apollo 15, the historic lunar landing. Over the courses of 3 days, the astronaut Scott and Irwin conducted 3 moonwalks, venturing further from the lunar module than any previous mission. The scientific findings of Apollo 15 were groundbreaking, providing valuable insight into geological compositions and the history of moon. The astronaut rock samples and also the geological observations revealed evidence of ancient volcanic activity, catering impact and of geological process that shaped the lunar landscape. The Apollo 15 journey to the moon and Hadley Apennine region and the deployment of lunar rover represented a triumph of human ingenuity and exploration. The mission expanded our knowledge about moon and paved the way for future exploration of lunar module. Thank you. Have a great day.